Hi, I'm Alex.
And I'm Emery.
And today we're going to be making banana strawberry smoothies.
So let's start with the ingredients. First, you have our strawberries,
Then our bananas,
then our ice,
and 1 cup of milk.
and our ½ cup of yogurt.
The most important part is knife safety. If you're not comfortable with the knife, ask an adult or sibling for help.
Or you could use fruits that don't require any cutting, like blueberries or raspberries, or already pre-cut fruits.
Then we have our magic cutting board that we will be using for cutting.
So I'm gonna start with the strawberries.
And I'll start with the bananas.
Okay.
So we'll just peel this banana.
I'm just gonna cut off the green part.
When using your knife, be careful to keep your fingers out of the way. And you don't need to cut your bananas in super small pieces, but it just depends on your preference.
I love strawberries.
Sadly, I'm allergic to strawberries, so
I'll
I
be
won't be able to
tasting.
enjoy.
I'll be tasting the smoothie for you.
For the blending, we're gonna go in the order that it just previously was in. So we'll start with strawberries, bananas, then the ice, then the milk, then the yogurt.
Okay, here are my bowl of strawberries.
Strawberries.
Put the cover back on the knife.
Then we'll do the bananas, ice, cup of milk. Take that.
And our last part, our yogurt.
Yogurt. Then we're gonna
Just blend that for a little bit, like 30 seconds, and then a pause.
All right.
Got our 2 cups over here.
Alright.
Pour that in there. Should I just take this off?
I'll do yours first.
Okay. Careful not to spill.
Alright.
Of course, Alex can't drink the smoothie, but I will drink it for her. It's really good.
It's good. Well, I'm missing out, but it's okay.
Next time with
Next
no
time,
strawberries.
yeah, we'll do blueberries next time.
It's really good.
I think that was simple and easy, and that would be something really fun to do at home.
Yeah.
So, yeah.